Alexander Theodor von Middendorff, Russian, Tr. Aleksandr Fyodorovich Middendorf, August 18, 1815 to January 24, 1894, was a Russian zoologist and explorer of Baltic German and Estonian extraction. Middendorf's mother Sophia Johansson, 1782 to 1868, the daughter of an Estonian farmer, had been sent to St. Petersburg for education by her parents. There she met with the future director of the St. Petersburg Pedagogical Institute, Theodor Johann von Middendorf, 1776 to 1856, whose father was a Baltic German pastor in Karaos, Estonia. As the two young people came from different social ranks and were unable to marry each other, their daughter Annette, born in 1809, and son Alexander were born out of wedlock. Alexander was born on August 18, 1815 in St. Petersburg, but could not be baptized until 6 months later in the Estonian Lutheran Congregation of St. Petersburg, as the German Lutheran Congregation of St. Petersburg had not agreed to perform the baptism. In the accompanying paperwork, Middendorf's parents registered themselves as a married couple. In order to escape the attention of the public, the mother and son returned to Estonia, where they settled at the Puravere mansion. Only in 1824, when the young Middendorf was ready to go to school, was his status legitimized when his parents finally married. Note: although his father Theodor was Baltic German, Middendorf's middle name is sometimes spelled as Fyodorovich, a German corruption of the Russian patronymic Fyodorovich, ovich meaning the son of the person, father, whose name precedes it. Middendorf received his early education from tutors in Reval and at a gymnasium in St. Petersburg. From 1832 he pursued a medical degree at the Imperial University of Dorpat, where his professors included George Friedrich Parrot, Nikolai Ivanovich Pirogov, Hermann Martin Asmus, and Alexander Friedrich von Hoek. Middendorf graduated in 1837 with a dissertation, written in Latin, on polyps in the bronchi. He then undertook further studies at the Humboldt University of Berlin, University of Erlangen-Nuremberg, University of Vienna, and University of Breslau. In 1839, under the patronage of Karl Ernst von Baer, he accepted a job at Kiev University. In 1839, Middendorf became assistant professor of zoology at Kiev University. In the summer of 1840, Baer asked Middendorf to join his second expedition to Novaya Zemlya. The first one took place in 1837. Due to stormy conditions, the expedition failed to reach Novaya Zemlya, but Baer and Middendorf explored Russian and Norwegian Lapland, as well as the Barents and White Seas. Middendorf was tasked with crossing on foot the Kola Peninsula and mapping the peninsula from Kola to Kandalaksha while collecting zoological and botanical material. From 1843 to 1845, on behalf of the St. Petersburg Academy of Sciences, he traveled to the Taimyr Peninsula and then along the coast of the Sea of Okhotsk and entered the lower Amur River Valley, which at this time was Chinese territory. He published his findings in Recent and Answers to Nordenu and the Osten Siberians, Travels in the Extreme North and East of Siberia, in German, 1848 to 1875, which included an account of the effects of permafrost on the spread of animals and plants. He also wrote Die Isipitis and Russlands, 1855, an account of bird migration in Russia, and a monograph on mollusks, Bitrachzui and Ermalicozoologia Jurassica, 1847 to 1849, in which he coined the term radula. In 1870 he visited the Baraba steppe and in 1878 the Fergana Valley. He died at Helenerm in Livonia, present-day Valga County, Estonia. Middendorf's grasshopper warbler, Kate Middendorf of Novaya Zemlya, Kodiak bear, Ursus arctos middendorfi, and Middendorf Bay of the Taimyr Peninsula are named after him.